In this video, we will introduce the topic of CSIR NET 2017 June Physics question paper. In this question, sigma x, sigma y and sigma z be the Pauli matrices, and this x dash sigma x, y dash sigma y, z dash sigma dash is equals to exponential of I theta sigma z divided by 2 into this x sigma x, y sigma y plus z sigma z into e to the power minus I theta sigma z divided by 2. Then the coordinate are related as follows. So now we can written as the general identity. The general identity is A vector dot sigma vector is equal to B e to the power I sigma into n cap into theta by 2. This into A vector dot sigma vector into e to the power minus I sigma n theta divided by 2. This is n cap. So this equals to n cap dot a cap plus cos theta a cap minus n cap into a cap dot n cap, and the third one is sin theta into n cap cross a cap. This is the general identity. So given in the question, what is given in the question? This is given r vector dot sigma vector is equal to z cap dot z cap into r cap plus cos theta into r vector minus z cap into r vector dot z cap, and the third one is plus sin z cap cross r vector. So this equals to z I cap plus cos into x cap plus y cap plus z cap minus z cap. This is the cos theta, and for sin theta we can write this sin theta into z cap into x I cap plus y j cap. Here this is z cap cross r cap. So this is z cap x I cap, and here also same y I cap, and this is z I cap. So we can write it as z I cap plus cos theta is taken out. So cos theta into x cap plus y cap, and sin theta into minus y, this sin theta into minus y x cap plus x y cap, this sin theta into this minus y x cap and x y cap. This can be represented in a matrix form. This can be expressed as a matrix form, So we can write it as x dash y dash z dash is equals to r dash vector dot sigma z vector. This equals to cos theta minus sin theta. Here this is sin theta, this is cos theta, and this is 0 and also 0 here. So we can write this as into x, y, z. So this is the correct answer for this question. So here option A is the correct option in this question. So if you have any query regarding this question, you can contact us in this number. This is 98367 93076. You can contact us in this number. This is 98367 93076 or WhatsApp us in this number. So that's all for today.